Every question, capture the number of tabs in browser. Capture the count of number of tabs opened in our browser. How to do that thing? We don't have any standard module to capture this count, right? Mostly we go with the scanning mechanism only, correct?
Yeah,
So without do scanning, can we capture this count?
you can use constraint index kind of stuff, Anusha.
We don't have any specific standard module team, so we always go with the scanning mechanism only. So simply go to here, right click on here. So team, understand one point, which one we are scanning now?
Tab, right?
Tabs.
We are trying to scan these tabs, not a HTML page.
Yeah, we have to go with UAE. Correct.
So we have to change the engine type background at the time of scanning, okay? So right click on here, do a scan of the page. Depends upon the requirement, we always require to change respect to engines in the background. Okay, na? So now coming to this window. So right click on here, which engine is selected here?
HTML.
But I don't want HTML scanning here, right?
Yeah, UAE we need
Please
to.
select UIA engine. Again, do right click and confirm which engine is selected. UIA only, right? Then, do click operationally scan. So are you able to see the number of tab bar, minimize, restore, personal profile, back, refresh button, and all this stuff is added here. Are you able to see?
Yeah, yes, Anusha.
Now, if you want to hide these filtered items, you can simply hide these filtered items too. Yes. Now, are you able to see the number of tab? The first tab is WhatsApp. And are you able to identify this icon too? This icon.
Yeah.
Generic list item icon, right?
Which icon?
I just highlighted that. Are you able to see that?
Yeah.
So are you remember whenever we are working with the drop downs activity, we just added generic list. You may able to see this kind of icon representation. Are you
The
remember?
icon, Anusha, maybe.
Yeah.
Uh,
Maybe in 16th version somewhat it different. Okay.
Yeah.
But seems like a list icon only. So
Okay.
these kind of icons we call it as a list icons. Maybe in 16 was somewhat different. Okay. This kind of icon.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So one kind of tree and list, yeah, might be.
Yeah. So
Anush,
when
Anusha, one other question. Do we have that three dots, which is the setting inside this list, which is the scanned?
these three dots.
Yeah. Not here. Three dots on the browser, which is the setting.
Oh, not this one, right? You are not asking
Not this one.
right? Okay.
No, I'm not asking this one. Yeah.
I think your question is different. So this last three dots, right?
Yes, correct.
Yes, we can. You just identify those properties in scanning window. Just do a select on screen. Move your cursor. Are you able to see? The three dots is selected. The name of the three dots is settings and more alt F. Okay. But this is not our requirement. We are just learning something different, right?
Yeah, I know.
So see here, Tim, this is the list of tabs. Totally how many tabs you are able to see? 5. Correct?
Correct.
One is WhatsApp, another one is home, another one is Tricentis, Tosca doc, new tab, new tab. You are able to see these things, correct? So don't
Yes.
scan all these list items, just to select one list and can I make this one unique or not required?
Yeah, make it non-unique combination.
Not unique because the list is always
Yeah, multiple items and we need to get.
dynamic, right?
Yeah.
No need to make this one is unique because this is identified with the help of naming conversion. I just unselected that. Okay. So once you unselected that, simply you can save this module. This control is not a unique property team, but still I'm trying to get the count, right? To get the count point of view, no need to make a unique, okay?
Correct.
Mm. Let me copy paste our question here. Yes. Expand it. Mm.
You can get the result count. Yeah.
Result count. Tab count. Action mode is equal to
Buffer.
buffer. So script is executed here successfully. We'll see total number of count. What is the count is captured? Total how many number of tabs is opened in our browser team?
5.
5. So can I increase this tab count?
Yeah, okay.
I just added manually few more tabs to the browser. Okay, now? Now I'm just trying to rerun the same. I just incremented number of tabs manually. Let me do a run. So the tabs, some of the tabs are still reloading. Are you able to see? In my system, some tabs are still loading here.
Yeah.
Maybe that is the issue. This is not captured it. Could not find the window, Tricentis, Tosca docs, or something. Um, but we are not validating any specific tab here, right? Okay, let me check the title of the web page module, okay? See, Tosca is trying to find this title. Are you able to see it? This title is not visible. That is the reason it's giving an error message. Just remove this entire thing and keep an asterisk symbol. Let me rerun again. So more than one control found for the action as Tricentis talks. One second. Let me check more than one matching tab. But I'm not identified this one. Okay, let me try this one. Like this. So select here. And close this one. So if you want to change the title theme, just do a scanning window level, go to the top and check what properties are added. Here you can see the transition, the name control is added here. That is the reason it is trying to find this name at random. But anyway, just I'm in the same page now. More than one control found for the action as Streisand is again it's giving a more than one control.
Uh,
Earlier it was working fine for 5 tabs, and just we are increasing tabs. Why it is failing?
Yeah.
is it no problem of having same tabs?
Earlier it's working fine perfectly. Let me do a scan again, but not required team. So obviously it's going to work. Let me go close a couple of tabs. And let me add a TCP parameter as well. So team,
Edge, right? Yeah.
that is the
But how
reason.
it was working earlier?
Earlier I just run the only this step. I'm not running
Oh.
entire whole test case. Let's try. So this one is captured successfully. Total number of tab count is 13. Able to see?
Yes, and yes. Correct.
It's a simple only, but somewhat we have to check the module properties and TCP properties, why these errors are triggering. These all are the some of the use cases. And one more point, what are the way we did for the tab count and similar way you can do for the Excel sheet count. Are you able to do that?
Yeah, okay.
So I'll just give you the example assignment here. So capture the number of Excel sheets in a Excel workbook.
Update the page count also, Anusha. Just mention the page count.
The PDF page count.
Yeah. That is also a very important point. At least we need to make a note on the page.
That as well. In a similar way, you can do capture the PDF page count. Okay.
So page count is itself is a property. So that we should keep in mind, right? Basically.
Yeah. You can keep it in mind. No need to do a scanning, all this stuff. Okay. If you create one control within the PDF file level, just hit the F12 key.
Yeah.
And you're able to see page property, and then you can apply your configuration. Just update the technical properties.
Yeah.
Later you can buffer the count. That's it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Just do these 2 assignments from your point of view. Team. Okay.
Sure, Anusha.
Okay, team. I think I spent my entire time here. Okay, tomorrow I'll start a new concept like a recovery scenarios. Okay, na?
Okay, Anusha.
Yeah. Please do a practice of these things today. Team. Okay.
Anusha, can you send the drive link, Anusha? Because every time I think I need to check my old mails and then.
I think not required. Simply go to your drive folder and
Okay.
you are having access here, right?
Okay.
Just check here.
Okay.
Third with me folder.
Okay.
If you click on here, what are the folder access you have? You are able to see this folder names here.
Okay.
Directly open that and now you are able to see the here itself only you are able to see the assignment document, this document.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah.
Okay, team. Thanks to you all. We'll connect tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Anusha.
Thank you, team. You all. Bye.
So much. How are you?